Press it.
Yep, we're live.
Welcome back to the channel. Zach here. We're gonna get started on the Mustang. It's finally time. Brought it inside the shop. It's the middle of winter, too cold to work on anything outside. So now it's time for the Mustang. We're gonna start by stripping the front end off, pulling out all the damaged parts. So let's get into it. Cue the time lapse. Alright, hopefully the time lapse was decent. We got the front fenders and the hood off. A lot of the front accessories or just little doohickeys off the front of the car. And it's revealed a little more frame damage than we were hoping. Let me show you. Alright, so we've got the basically what is the bumper of the car that runs right here along the front. And you can see, let's start with this side over here. That side, not too bad, pretty much what we thought. Gonna cut it in this area and weld on the new section. But what's really bad is you can see how crinkled it is down in there. Let me get my light out here. But you can see that it pulled on the bottom of what's basically the tub of the car. And so that's gonna be a little more tricky. Not sure quite yet what we're gonna do to fix it. But luckily we have the front half of that other car for whatever we need. So with that new damage found, we're now going to hook up the forklift in the next video. Yank the front end out a little bit so we can pull off all the wiring around the fuse box. And get that straightened out, see what we got to do to fix it. And then we're going to start working on that subframe. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. Give it the thumbs up if you enjoyed this.